For the moment of truth, we're going to see if this Shell Rotella T6 destroyed my engine or is actually helping it. Now, in the last video, we swapped from Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30, which is a detergent oil, just doesn't have near as much detergent as a diesel engine oil like Shell Rotella. Now, the reason why I switched is because, and I talk a lot more about it in the first video, but we switched in the 2003 Toyota Matrix. It has the 1ZZ FE engine. They are notorious for burning a lot of oil, and so are a lot of other Toyotas and a lot of other cars as well. But the main reason why those burn so much oil, especially at high mileage, especially if you're not changing your oil at certain intervals, carbon buildup gets built up in the oil rings, and in the back of those oil rings, there's oil return holes in the pistons, in the piston ring grooves. Over time, those get clogged up with carbon and they get clogged up. Now, whenever your piston's going up and down, it's scraping the oil in the cylinder, and it's supposed to be going back through those oil return holes back down into the engine to get circulated back through. Those get clogged up, piston goes up, starts pushing all that oil back into the combustion chamber, spark plug goes off, fires, burns oil. Now, in the last video, we found some forbidden glitter in the oil filter. So this is the oil filter. I actually have a video of us cutting this open with a oil filter cutting tool that I purchased off Amazon. This is the oil filter before we switched to the Shell Rotella T6. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see what this looks like. So there's some carbon in there. Definitely some carbon. Now, I don't know the type of oil that the previous owner was using, but I started using Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic. So it looks like just a bunch of carbon deposits. Don't really see anything shiny. Let's get a light. Let's get a flashlight. Oh, yep. So that's a good sign. I mean, not really a good sign, but I mean, good sign that me switching this oil didn't destroy my engine. So there is some glitter in here. Forbidden glitter. Let's get this popped open. All right. Let's get this popped open. If I remember right, I just pried up on this top metal portion. Okay, there's one. Alright, get this opened up, take a look on the inside. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know what the previous owner was using for oil, and I'm wondering if they're using like a low quality oil or if this has just been going on a long time, especially with these carbon deposits, because Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic is a very good oil. And that's what I use in all my cars. I just thought I'd try this Shell Rotella T6 out as sort of an experiment to see if it would help with my oil burning issue, because I'm burning about a quart every 1,000 miles right now, which it's got 230,000 miles. So, I mean, it's not bad, but I like it to be better, especially with going without a rebuild or overhaul, which we will be doing eventually on that engine. So yeah, there is quite a bit of carbon buildup. and metal flakes. You can see them right here, and right there, and right there. It's all carbon. So is all the carbon that's getting cleaned out of this engine causing the metal on metal? I have no idea. So that has been bugging me for a while, ever since I opened up that last oil filter on that car. So it's good to know that this oil isn't destroying my engine. I think this is more of a user error. Previous owners not changing the oil on a regular basis, especially considering how much carbon buildup is in this thing. And if I remember right, this oil change only has like a couple thousand miles on it, like 2,000 miles maybe. That's good to know though. So, but that'll about do it for this video. Like I said, I've got another video out explaining why I switched to this oil and the benefits of this oil. But hopefully you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. Hope you consider subscribing. See you on the next one.